In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a post on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a blank page to a post that's sent out to your paid audience with confidence and clarity. Start on your Substack dashboard and head to the posts area. This is your home base for everything you've published and everything still in progress. Opening posts helps you stay organized and makes it easy to keep track of drafts, scheduled items, and previously sent pieces, so you always know where things stand. From there, choose New Post to open the editor. The editor is clean and distraction-free, and it auto-saves as you write, which is great for peace of mind. You'll see a simple canvas with space for your title at the top, a subtitle just beneath it, and the main body below. Think of this as your article's structure: a strong hook, a clear promise, and the content that delivers. Begin by typing your title. Aim for something direct and specific, so readers instantly understand the value. Add a subtitle to clarify the angle or tease what's inside. It's optional, but it can boost engagement. Then move into the body of your post. Keep paragraphs short, use clear language, and guide readers with transitions. If you reference sources or tools, name them plainly so readers can follow along. As you write, remember that Substack supports common formatting, so you can emphasize key points and make your post easier to scan without overcomplicating the layout. When your draft reads smoothly and looks the way you want, click Continue. This takes you to the finalization screen where you set who will receive the post. It's a good moment for a last proofread. Check the title for clarity, scan the first few lines for typos, and make sure your message is consistent from start to finish. Next, choose paid subscribers only. This option places the post behind your paywall and ensures that only your paying readers receive it by email and see it in full on your publication. Use this when the content is premium, exclusive, or part of your member benefits, and make sure the title and opening lines communicate that value. When you're ready to share it with your paying audience, click Send. Substack will deliver the post to the inboxes of your paid subscribers and publish it to your site at the same time. After it's live, you can monitor performance from your dashboard and keep notes on what resonated to inform your next post. And that's the complete process for publishing a post on Substack.